This is Realme C55 and today I would like to show how you can manually adjust the camera brightness on this device. So without further ado, let's begin. That's a very simple and straightforward thing to do. You will need to be at the default photo mode and just tap anywhere at the viewfinder, whatever you find it comfortable or convenient. And as you can see, this little circle appears and the icon to its right or left is actually the slider that you need to use in order to change or adjust the brightness of your photo. So drag it to the top if you would like to make your picture brighter, or to the bottom if you would like to dimmer the photo that you're about to take. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.